Hi friends, it's Becky, and let's open up and organize the June 2025 Curated Bead box. This is a monthly bead subscription. It is one of the more frugal bead subscriptions available. You usually get several strands of glass, round beads, sometimes bead mixes, some findings, and a finding starter pack. All of this for a very, very reasonable price. I'll put a link in the description for where you can find Curated Bead Box, as well as a little coupon if you would like some off of your first month subscription. But this has been curated. It looks like we've got our theme here, Western Whimsy. We've got some cactus with cactus flowers. We've got some little bull horns, some skulls and things, some cowboy hats and cactus. So this is going to be kind of a fun box for us to do. I've got a list here on the front of the contents that we have in here, and of course bead sizes and types may vary due to availability. So sometimes what happens with that is I might get a bead strand that's a different size than what it said on there. But for the most part, it is going to be what it says in the thing. So it looks like we've got our greens, we've got some sandy, deserty colors. Actually, this looks like it is a gemstone. Is it fossil coral, maybe? We'll find out in a minute. This also looks like we've got some gemstone. This looks like some rose quartz. And is this also gemstone or is it glass? That is pretty nice, actually, to have more than just glass beads in here. One of the things about the Curated Bead Box is it does make a great bead box if you are new to beading, because you do get, in addition to all of these beads and charms and things, a finding starter pack, which means you can get started making jewelry with this. All you need to do is bring some tools, because it has stringing material like stretch cord and beading wire and memory wire. And then you've got things like head pins, clasps, ear wires, and crimps. So you can make right from the start without having to invest in a lot of other things right here with this box. So let's get this going, see what we've got. And I'm going to be organizing it into this 18 grid organizer. I like this because you often get some larger beads and longer strands with this bead box, so it's got a thicker depth than some of the other bead boxes I use. It also has this section here, which I take the little divider segments out so that I can put things like the finding starter pack in there and some of the larger pendants. So it's very convenient to have that space for this with this particular bead box. I'll put a link to where I get these from. It's from Amazon, also in the description below. So let's get started. Looks like we've got kind of a fun bead mix. I love bead mixes. They're really fun. All right, so we'll start with our 10mm beads. Actually, so we've got some soft green glass pearl beads. This is an 8-inch strand. And this is a really lovely, soft green color. I just need to grab my wire cutters, because they were right there. And I have somehow misplaced them. Here, these will do. So I can get these in here. And the glass pearls that we get for the Curated Bead Box, in general, they're pretty decent quality. I have definitely used lower quality glass pearls before, but they don't scratch the coating, and they work really well. They don't have like big globs of paint or something on them. So I like actually using these pearls, and they come in a lot of different colors and sizes. And then we've got Jungle Swirl Marble Style Glass Bead. This is a 6-inch strand. So this one has some green and brown and white swirled in on this opaque glass. So I've got both of those. And then this, it is in fact gemstone. This is malachite. And this is a 6 to 8-inch strand. All right, so you do get like several different sizes of beads in this bead subscription. All right, next we've got some 8mm beads. Looks like we've got several varieties of those. I think only one 6mm, so I'll just pull that one out of there. The first is Pink Apple Green Duo Style. So we've got this nice bright green and this beautiful bright pink, and I love this color combination together. It is one of my favorites, so I'm definitely going to be using this for some things in my designing. I think this might be one of my favorite colors that came in this box. Okay, then we've got some 8mm rose quartz gemstones, so I was right, and this is rose quartz. This rose quartz is a 7 to 8-inch strand. And then we've got some white opaque gemstone. It doesn't say which gemstone it is, just that it's white and opaque, and it looks like there's some gray lines in this. I don't think it's howlite, because you usually have more gray lines in that. But it does not say what gemstone this is on the list. And then this one is Natural Jasper. And it is also 8mm, and this is a 7 to 8-inch strand. With this one. All right, and then our 6mm one is Meadow Abstract Glass Bead. And it's got this darker green with this magenta flash. And this one is a 10-inch strand. 6mm beads. And that's all of our strung beads now sorted. Next we've got a bag of milky white pressed glass oval beads. There are 8 of them. They are 14 by 10mm in size. These have fairly large-ish holes for beads. Large enough for maybe a 1mm leather to pass through. Stick those over there. And then we have a mix. This is the Desert Cactus Designer Glass Bead Mix. 1 ounce of this. Looks like I've got one green and pink bead that would not be amiss in a design with these smaller guys. Looks like the green is kind of a lighter green, not quite as opaque, and it's a lighter pink as well, but it does quite go. So I think I'm going to put it in the same section that I've got that in. And then we've got a large light pink cylinder, a large light pink round bead, a large light pink faceted bead, 2 white with pink marbling beads that are about, I think these are 10 millimeters. And these ones are about 8 millimeters. We've got 2 very light pink pearls. Oop, there's another one of these that has the pink on that. Let's put that over here. All right, now we've got some white beads with some green marbling on them. That's 6 millimeters. And let's see, 1 faceted round, and several of these disc bicone type of beads. Some of them are a darker green and some of them are a lighter green. They all have that hole in the middle of the disc. 1 pink one. You may have different amounts of these types of beads, or some beads that I don't have in yours. So we've got all of those. And then these ones, they're bicone shaped, but the hole is a little bit off. It is offset for this type of bead. You can see the hole goes actually through one of the points instead of point to point. Let's put those guys in there. And I think these are also going to go in the same section. Unless, no, I'm going to go ahead and stick them in the same section. There we go. All right, so then we've got some larger pieces. We've got a metal bead frame. This has 2 frames. They're 68 by 34 millimeters in size. These are very large. It should be actually fun to maybe fill up with some beads. I don't think if I did add beads to these that I would use them as earrings, because these are some larger beads, so it would probably be really heavy if I was to do that. But they might be something that we could add a few things to. Maybe a few dangles from the middle. Maybe a charm or 2. There are some possibilities. Could possibly use one of these frames as a pendant in a necklace, and that would actually be a really great idea to be able to do that, and then you use the other one for another necklace at some point. But yeah, so we've got 2 of these to be able to use with that in this silver color. Next, we've got a 36 by 34 cow skull. It is silver metal, and it looks like it's got some black enamel on the edges. Our little longhorn, it's got a fairly wide bail on the top. We'll make a really cool pendant here. Let's see. Maybe these guys? Maybe the white ones. I don't know yet. We'll see. We'll figure it out. I'm having ideas. This actually has a bit of heft to it as well. So we've got those. I'll put that in here in the big section. And then we've got some charms. We've got some 22 by 14 millimeter cowboy hat charms. And there are 4 of these guys. Let's put a couple of these on a plate so you can see what they look like. And then we've got our cactus silver charms. These are 18 by 10 millimeters, and there are 6 of them. There we go. And they are the same on both sides, front and back, for our little saguaro cactus. All right, and that is the Western Whimsy bead box from Curated Bead Box. We'll get together and make some things with this probably in the coming weeks. And until then, next time, again, I will have links in the description below where you can find this. And until next time, happy beading.